Question 1. An organization wants to track and manage its Azure cloud spending across multiple departments, identify cost drivers, and receive notifications when spending approaches predefined limits. Which Azure service is primarily designed to fulfill these requirements? Option A, Azure Monitor. Option B, Azure Advisor. Option C, Azure Cost Management. Option D, Azure Policy. The correct answer is Azure Cost Management. Here's the explanation. Azure Cost Management is specifically designed to help organizations monitor, analyze, and optimize their cloud spending, providing tools like cost analysis, budgets, and alerts for comprehensive financial governance. Question 2. A FinOps team uses Azure Cost Management to enforce financial governance. They have set up a monthly budget for a development resource group. Which statement accurately describes the function of this budget? Option A. The budget will automatically deallocate all resources in the resource group once the spending limit is reached. Option B. The budget sends notifications when actual or forecasted spend approaches or exceeds defined thresholds. Option C. The budget prevents the deployment of new resources if the forecasted spend will exceed the limit. Option D. The budget automatically applies Azure reserved instances to reduce costs when near the limit. The correct answer is the budget sends notifications when actual or forecasted spend approaches or exceeds defined thresholds. Here's the explanation. Budgets in Azure Cost Management are primarily for monitoring and alerting. They do not enforce hard limits on resource provisioning or automatically deallocate resources. Azure Policy would be used for enforcement actions. Question 3. Which feature within Azure Cost Management is most effective for attributing cloud costs to specific departments or projects for internal chargeback and showback reporting? Option A. Azure Advisor Cost Recommendations. Option B. Cost analysis with resource tags. Option C. Azure Monitor Metrics. Option D. Reserved instances, RIs. The correct answer is cost analysis with resource tags. Here's the explanation. Resource tags are crucial for categorizing costs by custom dimensions like department or project. Cost analysis then allows users to filter and group costs by these tags, enabling accurate chargeback and showback reporting. Question 4. Which type of cloud storage is best suited for hosting static websites, backups, and large volumes of unstructured data that need to be accessed via HTTP/S APIs? Option A. Block storage. Option B. File storage. Option C. Object storage. Option D. Database storage. The correct answer is object storage. Here's the explanation. Object storage stores data as discrete units, objects, in a flat namespace, accessed via HTTPS, and is highly scalable for web applications, backups, and data lakes. Static website hosting is a common use case. Question 5. What is the key difference between durability and availability in cloud storage? Option A. Durability refers to encryption, while availability refers to access control. Option B. Durability ensures data integrity, not losing data, while availability ensures data is accessible when needed. Option C. Durability relates to cost effectiveness, while availability relates to performance. Option D. Durability is for block storage, while availability is for object storage. The correct answer is durability ensures data integrity, not losing data, while availability ensures data is accessible when needed. Here's the explanation. Durability is defined as the ability of data to remain intact and uncorrupted over time, typically achieved through replication. Availability is the percentage of time that data is accessible and operational. They are distinct concepts. Question 6. An enterprise application requires a shared file system that can be mounted and accessed concurrently by multiple virtual machines using standard protocols like NFS or SMB. Which cloud storage type is designed for this use case? Option A, object storage. Option B, block storage. Option C, file storage. Option D, archive storage. The correct answer is file storage. Here's the explanation. File storage provides a shared file system that can be mounted and accessed concurrently by multiple compute instances over a network, supporting standard file protocols like NFS for Linux/Unix systems or SMB for Windows systems, making it ideal for shared access scenarios. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel